summation notation. And so if you'll recall the formula for the summation notation in the expansion of a sum, at the bottom you would have the starting index, and at the top the stopping index. And then you could just expand the general terms. The problem we'll look at is to expand and evaluate the following sum. So to expand this sum, the first thing that we would notice is that our starting index is down here at k equals 3, and we would start with k is 3, and so the first thing we would do is plug 3 in to the formula, and it would look like this, 2 to the third power minus 3 for the first term. Now whenever we do the sum, the next step is to increase k to 4, and then you will do the next term where k is 4. Look like this, 2 to the 4. And then finally we'd increase k again. Every time that you put the addition, you're going to increase k. So the next one would be 5. We'll have this, 2 minus 3. And then we would stop, and you'll notice that the reason we stop is that we've gotten to the stopping index. Now, the problem is not done because the last step, we've just expanded. This is the expansion. But we also need to evaluate this sum. So we go ahead and calculate each of the values. 2 to the third power, you can put that in your calculator if you want. It's actually 8. So the first one would be 8 minus 3. 2 to the fourth power, that's 16. And then we got 2 to the fifth power. And then we can just calculate the whole thing in our calculator. 5 plus 13 plus 29. And the final solution would be 6. That's all there is to it.